Let me introduce you to a 1999 Crown Victoria LX digital dash. If you have not seen one before, keep waiting. This is what it looked like. Here in 2025. And just imagine, we're going back to digital gauges. But this is analog style. But digital. Like I said, it gives you your temperature on the left side, your gas for the gallons, middle left. Oil shows up, check engine light, battery, miles per hour, your miles. Gives you different choices on the right side for different options. And also it can convert to kilometers per hour as well. So that's pretty cool. With a flip of a switch, you can go from miles per hour to kilometers per hour. Pretty cool. Like I say, digital dash in 99. Here we are in 2025, going into 2026. And when you're driving in this 1999, this is what it looked like.